Okay, so you asked for me to go over 3-36. And so when you're forming the future tense, you're supposed to use ir plus a plus the infinitive. Okay, so if you go out to your text on page 96, you'll find the conjugations of ir, which are right there. So what you're going to want to do is change it from I do exercise today to I am going to, or I exercise today to I am going to exercise tomorrow. So we're going to use everything. I'm going to take my hago and turn it back to the infinitive. Okay. And then when I'm making the future, I need to conjugate my ir for my subject. So I would use boy. Then I put a, and then I use the infinitive. So this is I exercise to I, whoops, I want to change that to mañana. To I am going to exercise tomorrow. So here I've got Elisa prepara pasta hoy. So I'm going to have Elisa, let me go ahead. Mañana. Okay, so prepara ends in A, so it's an AR verb. I'm going to put this back in its infinitive form, and then I need the ir that goes with Elisa, which is the same thing as she. So here's she, so I'm going to put va, and then a. Va a preparar pasta mañana. Marta y Luisa trabajan en la cafetería. Oops. Mañana. Okay, so because it's ir plus a plus the infinitive, I'm going to need to take trabajan, it's an AR verb. I'm going to take the ending off and just add AR, and then I need to conjugate my ir for Marta y Luisa. Since it's they, it's ellas, it would be van. So in front of my trabajar, I would write van a trabajar en la cafetería mañana. Nosotras a clase mañana. Okay, so this one is IMOS. It's an IR verb, so I'm going to take off my ending and put back the IR. And then I need the ir that goes with nosotras, which would be vamos. So nosotras vamos a asistir a clase mañana. Yo hablo con mi profesor mañana. Okay, so hablar, it's an AR verb, so I'm going to change my hablo to hablar. Then I need the ir that goes with yo, boy, and I put that in front. Voy a hablar con mi profesor mañana. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm saying I'm going to speak with my professor tomorrow. So here's a question. ¿Estudias tú con nosotras mañana? Okay, so I'm going to need to change my estudias. It ends in AS, so that makes an AR verb. So I'm going to need to change it back to its infinitive form. The subject is tú, because remember in a question, the subject comes after the verb instead of before. So then the ir for tú is vas, so I'm just going to put vas in front. Vas a estudiar tú con nosotras mañana. Oops, I missed something. Oh, I misspelled nosotros. So if you just make sure you spell everything correctly, I'll pull that up right here. It should be nosotras. I left out an O. Vamos a asistir a clase mañana, or vamos a asistir a clase mañana. Because vamos is conjugated for nosotros, and that's the only conjugation that goes with nosotras. If you look back here at the book for nosotros, it's vamos. So it's not necessary to put in the nosotros again. Okay, and so that's how you do that activity.